Hi guys, welcome back to our Wix Harmony series. Today we are going to learn how to change the video on our video player. Let's get started. If you've used your own uploaded video or a video from Wix's media library, here's how you can do it. Click on your video element. Click Replace Video on the action bar above, and another window will open. From here, you can upload your very own video that you want to use, or you can choose another video from Wix's media library. Let's say, for example, this one. Once you select a video that you want to replace it with, click on it and click on Add to Page. If you've used an embedded video instead, this is how you can change it. Click on your video element, go to Replace Video. A small window will appear right over here. Simply paste the link of the new video you want to embed. For demonstration purposes, I'll use this video from Wix's channel on YouTube. And anyway, once you do that, the video will automatically be updated on the Wix video player. And that's it. That's how you replace your video in the video player. Hope you found today's video of help. If you need more Wix tutorials, check out our channel and consider subscribing as well. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next video.